SurveyIR is the microscopy accessory for any FTIR. SurveyIR is very affordable and can upgrade any FTIR spectrometer, providing full FTIR microscope capabilities. No maintenance or liquid nitrogen is required to operate SurveyIR. A wide range of small samples can be identified or analyzed, including contaminant defects or spots on various products, fibers, paint chips, drugs, pharmaceuticals, or surface contaminants. The high image quality and clarity provided by SurveyIR allows easy visualization of samples while using the integrated video camera interface to eSpot software. SurveyIR is a very versatile microscopy system, providing transmitted, reflected, and oblique illumination modes. SurveyIR is also a very versatile spectroscopic instrument, allowing measurements in reflection, attenuated total reflection, or ATR, using either diamond or germanium internal reflection elements, and transmission, where samples can be measured on infrared transmitting windows such as alkali halide salts, or diamond windows, or in compression cells. SurveyIR is easy to use, installed by the user, and requires minimal training.
Hello. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your meeting. I'm Dave Shearing of Czitek. I'm here with my colleague, Greg Ressler, and we're going to demonstrate the installation and sample analysis using our new FTIR microspectroscopy accessory called SurveyIR. Greg Ressler will now demonstrate the installation of SurveyIR into the sample compartment of the Spectrum 2 FTIR. Greg will now demonstrate the installation of the 1 by 3 inch slide clip and slide spacer. Greg will now demonstrate the installation of 1 by 3 inch microscope slide substrates into the 1 by 3 inch stage clip. In this case, we're demonstrating a low E-glass substrate. We also have 1 by 3 inch format transmission window holders. Greg will now show us the installation of the contact alert force readout. The contact alert force readout is secured by the 1 by 3 inch slide mount, and connection is made through a phono jack on the left side of SurveyIR. This force readout will be interfaced to eSpot software, which we will demonstrate a little bit later. Low E-glass substrates are optimum for supports for attenuated total reflection measurements. The low E-glass substrates fit directly into the force readout contact alert. Now we will make electrical and data connection using our USB 2.0 cable. On the SurveyIR side, there is a USB mini jack that attaches to the left of SurveyIR. Electrical and data connection is completed by connecting to your computer. For attenuated total reflection microanalysis, we will show you the installation of the diamond ATR internal reflection element. The diamond ATR element is secured into a stainless steel mount. It is optically and mechanically located by precision pins to the underside of the SurveyIR objective. Lastly, it is secured in place with swivel clamps. We are now ready for attenuated total reflection microanalysis. The microscope operation of SurveyIR is simple. SurveyIR microscope operation is much like a microscope you would encounter in a high school biology class. We have coarse, fine focus controls located at the very front and easily accessible on SurveyIR. We demonstrated previously the sample XY motion in the 1 by 3 inch slide clip. Lastly, for transmission samples supported on transmission windows or samples that are sandwiched in compression cells, we need to adjust the condenser focus, shown here.